Hello viewers, welcome back to this course. In this session, we are going to start working with text functions. Text functions are a powerful set of tools that enable users to perform various operations on text strings. They can be used to extract specific parts of a text string, combine multiple strings, change the case of characters, remove unwanted characters, and more. These functions are essential for data cleaning, formatting, and manipulation tasks. These are some of examples of text functions, and we are going to start with the functions that will enable us to change the case of string. When we talk of a string, we are referring to a text, that is plain text. We have the upper function. This function converts all character in a text string to uppercase. And you can see example here. Write equals to, then you pass a text string as argument and it will be converted to uppercase. As you can see, the return value is here. So when you pass hello world in small letter, it is going to return hello world in capital letter. Likewise, the lowercase function. This function converts all characters in a text string to lowercase. And this is an example. You pass equals to. Then, if you pass uppercase text string, it is going to be converted to lowercase. Okay, if you pass the text like this, for example, hello world, it is going to return hello world in small letters. We also have a proper case function. This function capitalizes the first letter of each word in a text string and convert the rest to lowercase. And this is an example. You type equals to proper. If you pass a text string as lowercase, it is going to return the capital case like this. You can see each of the word is capital letter. That is what we mean by capital case. Okay, capitalize each letter of the word. For you to understand this better, I believe in practical aspect. Let's go to Excel so that you are going to understand it better. I open Excel file, this one. Then I have a sample text. Let us start with uppercase. For example, I have this text that says working with text function. I want it to be uppercase. To return this text as uppercase, all I need to do is to go to the formula bar. I'm going to cut this text. Then I type equals to, I type upper. I need to pass a string. Remember, when you are typing a string, it must be in quote like this. I type the text. I type the text string, working with the text function inside the quotation mark. I need to close the function with a parenthesis like this. And if I press enter now, do you see that the text has been converted to uppercase? You can see it here. It has been converted to uppercase. You can also pass a cell reference as an argument to the function. For example, if I select this cell now and type equals to upper, then I can pass this cell reference of hello, which is A2, and I'm going to close it like this and press enter. Do you see that it returned the uppercase of hello? You can see it here. It simply means that you can pass a cell reference as an argument to the function. Let's experiment with lowercase. I select this cell. I type equals to lower. Inside quotation mark, I'm going to type hello world. The hello world is going to be in uppercase. You can see that I type hello world as a string inside the lower function. Then I need to close it with parentheses and press enter. Do you see that it has returned the lowercase of the hello world, even though I type it in uppercase? But this lower function is converting the text to small letter, that is lowercase. Okay, let us see how the proper case works. If we return back to our presentation, we say that the proper function, this function capitalizes the first letter of each word in a text string and convert the rest to lowercase. Okay, that is what the proper function does. Let's go back. This our title text is already typed in small letters, as you can see it here, but the upper function is converting it to uppercase, just like this. But if I want this text now to be a proper case, all I need to do is to change the function name. I just change this function name to proper. You can see I type proper here. You can see all the text are in small letters, but if I press enter now, do you see that each of the word is now starting with capital letter? That is what the proper function does. One of the important use of each of these functions is that if you look at this font group here under Excel GUI, you discover that there is no option to change case in Excel. As a result, you can use the upper function to change to capital case, then the lower function to change to small letters, and the proper function to change to capital case. Okay, I hope by now you understand the use of each of these functions. In the next video, we are going to work more with text function. Thank you.